Making it so that one of your websites acts as a clonable template is extremely easy. Just go into the website that you want to make a template, come into Administration, Clone Store Settings, and from here you can either clone the store just one time, or you can click the new stores can be created using this store settings, and then give the website a name, and know that DecoNetwork will put template at the end of it. So I'm just going to make this soccer, and then again DecoNetwork will add template. Now from here I'm going to come over to websites, and it is extremely important that within store options that you have the enable new store sign up templates checked. If you don't have this checked, and even though you created a template, it won't be an option. I also like to force stores to select a template. That really helps prevent accidentally launching a site that isn't the template. And after you've launched a site, there is no easy way to just say, hey, I want this to be the same look as this other website and essentially be the template. It just, once that site is launched, whatever the look of the pages are, whatever pre-decorated products were created, that is what is going to be shown. So very important to have that checked. And then again, when I come into website, add store, I can choose if it belongs to someone else to track commissions or if it belongs to me. And then you will see that within store configuration, there is the soccer template. It's really that easy, but very important that again you have the store options on, otherwise it'll get a little frustrating. If you have any questions on how to create a website template, come up to the very top where you can search our many great help articles, or you can click on the question mark where you can raise a support ticket with client services, who is there to help you whenever you have questions or you're running into problems. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.